So before we jump into the content, before we talk about some very interesting scenario which is unfolding right now here in price action of Bitcoin, please guys, try that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. So you can see the imminent breakout scenario for Bitcoin is playing out perfectly, because yesterday we found out when the price of Bitcoin was getting attracted towards the upper trend line from this falling wedge, which previously acted as a strong line of resistance, I was very clear. Please wait for this indicator here to the downside, confirm the breakout before jumping into any trades. And now if we look at the indicators, MACD is already turning bullish. Now it's heading towards this 50 level. RSI already above 50, T3 CCI indicator already in a positive territory. The indicators are now turning bullish, and in the past price action we have found out whenever we have seen this exact scenario happening, RSI jumping above 50, T3 CCI indicator, MACD forming a bullish MACD cross, also appearing over 50, T3 CCI in a positive territory. After that we had this very nice impulsive movement, and this exact scenario has played out again and again. Whenever the indicators has confirmed a breakout, RSI jumping over 50, MACD forming a bullish MACD cross, also jumping over 50, 3 TCCI in a positive territory. After that we have seen a very nice impulsive movement. So what I'm trying to show you here is that right now if you look in the current Bitcoin price action, the indicators are also turning bullish. So what I'm doing here, I am waiting for this MACD to appear above 50. Once we do that, that will trigger another continuation here like this for Bitcoin for the upcoming days. But in the medium short term, what might be happening? There might be a retest from this previous temporary resistance line before continuing this rally in this way. Yes guys, I am actually expecting the price after this breakout to show some weakness, come back to test the previous temporary resistance line around 27,400, 27,500, and slowly start with a new uptrend, because the indicators are already preparing for the new impulsive movement. Not just only that, even according to this broadening bottom, yesterday I was very clear. In the medium short term, there is a very high probability for the price to get attracted towards the upper trend line before choosing the trend direction. And since the broadening bottom is a bullish continuation pattern, 28,800 to 29,000 could be our upcoming target for Bitcoin. And now you can see after breaking the resistance from this broadening bottom, the price of Bitcoin did show this very nice impulsive movement. And now if we do see any sort of a weakness in the medium short term, just like I showed you with the previous example, the previous temporary resistance line might be retested. Yes guys, the price of Bitcoin could show some range bound, could come back to test the key line of support before continuing this uptrend here in this way, because we know if the price is going to show continuation, then this upper trend line from the descending channel could be attracting the price around 28,800 to 29,000 range. Yes guys, we have already broken this resistance line, the broadening bottom resistance line. That's why we are showing this impulsiveness. And I showed you with the previous example, any sort of a retracement, this exact line which previously acted as a resistance might be retested, and after that we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show another continuation here to the upside towards the upper trend line from this descending channel, which could be around 28,800 to 29,000 range before deciding the trend direction. Because we know parallelly the price of Bitcoin, after breaking out of this 27,400 27,500 range, has also invalidated this bearish scenario which was playing for Bitcoin. Yes, head and shoulder formation. So what we need the price of Bitcoin to do today or for the upcoming days, we just need the price to remain above this key line. Once we do that, right, once we find proper support above this, there is a very high probability guys, the trend after that to show another bullishness for Bitcoin. Not just only this, even if we look at this example here. Now, before I switch the chart, I just want to quickly aware you guys about the bonuses provided by Bybit to our crypto Anup community members, or even for the new users. Yes guys, for new users, deposit $100 and get $40. How to claim? Many were saying, hey Anup, you only show the bonuses but you never show how to claim it. Now you can see sign up for a Bybit account with crypto Anup link, which is in the description down below. Claim $10 bonuses from deposit blast off. Claim welcome gift $10 from rewards hub and claim $20 bonus from KYC from rewards hub. But for existing users who have not completed KYC yet, for you guys, hold minimum $50, complete KYC and get $20. How to claim? Hold minimum $50 in funding account, go to rewards hub and complete the KYC task and claim $20 airdrop. So this here is definitely a good opportunity to claim some bonuses, so try grabbing it. We know we have been talking about this triangle top since the price has already broken the previous temporary resistance line. Yes, this line which acted as support acted as a resistance, and since we are already above it, this upper trend line is where we could be getting attracted, just like from this past price action. So that's why, guys, looking into different scenario, looking into different time frame, this upper trend line which is around 28,800 to 29,000 could be our upcoming target after some retracement around this key line of support, and then get attracted towards our final destination for now, which is 28,800 to 29,000 range. Because if we look at this price structure in a smaller time frame, we are clearly following this parabolic curve scenario right now, or the area where we are right now. This is a very, very important line of support. Yes, in a smaller time frame, this parabolic line is acting as a strong line of support. So if we do fail to remain over 27,800 in the medium short term, we might come back. We might come back to test this support one more time, 27,500. And this was the line of resistance, and this is the exact line where we could be getting attracted in the medium short term before it flips into support. So in the medium short term, if we do see a trend reversal like this happening, then please be careful. This might be a retest from the previous temporary resistance line, which will be acting as a support. And after that, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to slow a movement here in this manner, heading towards 28,800 to 29,000 range before deciding the trend duration. Because in a bigger picture, right, in a bigger picture, yesterday I showed you the price of Bitcoin is resembling a very similar scenario which played out in 2018, 2019 after these 364 days of downtrend. Yes, from the top till the bottom line, this trend lasted 364 days. And in our case, from 2021 to 2022, the bottom around 15,000, that also lasted around 364 days, just like from the past price action. And we said in the past price action, when we found support and also started showing this impulsiveness ended when we got attracted towards this 0.618 Fibonacci line, and then slowly started showing bearishness. In our case right now, if you look at this carefully, the price is above 21 weekly exponential moving average, just like this one here. And now, if we remain above this 26,000 in a bigger picture, 25,000, 26,000 in a bigger picture, this upper trend line around 40,000 could be our best case target or best case scenario for Bitcoin. Yes, guys, we are still expecting the price of Bitcoin to continue this uptrend as long as the support around 25,000, 26,000 in a bigger picture remains. So please keep a close eye around this key line, because we know once we come back to retest it, once we flip that into support, it is going to be looked as a continuation pattern for Bitcoin. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please, guys, destroy that like button. And if you are watching this for the first time, then hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now, by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye-bye.